Hello, and welcome to the Folsom Lake College online tutorial for filling out the Advanced Education form on our Folsom Lake College main website. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to our Folsom Lake College main website at flc.losrios.edu, finding the Admissions tab, and then clicking Get Started and Apply. This will bring you to a page that asks you what kind of student you are. As an Advanced Ed student, you'll click on a high school student. Then you'll click on the Advanced Education Admittance button right underneath. On this page, you can see some of the eligibility requirements that you need as an advanced education student, as well as some of the application deadlines if you plan on taking these courses in the next few semesters. If you scroll down a little bit more, you see 3 important highlights. Read through these very carefully as to understand them completely. If you scroll down the page a little bit more, you see the 4 specific application process steps in order to become an advanced education student. The first step will be to apply to Folsom Lake College and get an eServices account. You can do so by clicking on this box and then clicking the Apply to Folsom Lake College hyperlink included in this box. If you have any additional questions about this specific application, feel free to watch one of our other online tutorial videos, specifically the Folsom Lake College Advanced Education Application video. Once you have your student ID, move on to the second step, to complete your Advanced Education Application PDF form. This form is what you'll submit to our college so we can actually enroll into your classes for you. We'll go over the form after looking at all of the 4 steps to actually completing this process. So let's move on to number 3. Meet with your high school counselor. The third step is to meet with your high school counselor with the form in hand and discuss what classes you might actually be able to take. It's up to your counselor to see what classes you're eligible for, and then they send them to us so we can verify those classes as well. The fourth and final step is us enrolling you into your courses. Once you and your counselor have decided on what courses you would like to take, and your counselor submits us your form, we actually enroll you into your classes for you. Make sure to read through all 4 of these steps even more carefully so as not to miss any of the information on this page. With that in mind, let's go back to step 2 and look at the actual form that you need to download. Let's go ahead and scroll on back up and click on this hyperlink right here that's entitled Advanced Education Application. That link should take you to a page that looks just like this. And the first thing I want to say right off the bat is make sure to download this PDF directly to your desktop or somewhere that you can find it on your computer, and do that before you fill out the information. If you save it after you fill out the information, it will actually delete all of the information and you'll have to resubmit it. So make sure to download. That's the first step. The second step is for you to fill out this top portion with your parent/guardian and get their signature. You'll notice it says Los Rios student ID right here. That's that number that you'll get from completing step 1. Once you have obtained your student ID and have this whole top part completed, it's on to step 2, which is meeting with your high school counselor. While meeting with your counselor, you'll go over some of the classes that you are eligible to take, and you're only allowed to take 2 classes per semester as an advanced education student, but you'll notice there's actually 6 options to put classes here. This is because if some classes fill up, you'll have some backup classes that are already verified as registratable for your enrollment. This is something that you and your counselor will do together, and then they'll sign it. Once this high school section is complete with all of the 6 classes listed as well as the high school designee signature, your high school designee/counselor will email us this form directly, as well as CCing you and your parent/guardian to keep everybody on the same page. Once the form is emailed to us, we can verify all the classes listed as well as all of the signatures and begin enrolling you into your classes. So again, the 3 steps to this form are filling out the top portion with you and your parent/guardian, meeting with your counselor and finding what classes are eligible for you to take, and then having them email it to us where we can verify and begin enrolling you into those classes. Once again, make sure to read everything on the Advanced Education page on our main website. This is where you'll find all of the information you need in order to make this a seamless transition from high school to college. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to call us at 916-608-6500.